been in this world of food, in the culinary world for about touching 37 years now. Having started way back, I grew into the whole jinx, into a very deep insight into food, and that became my life. I mean, food is like, life is food, that kind of thing. I didn't have any other occupation apart from being in my kitchens. So, no social life, no friends. Friends, yes, of course, but my main whole thing revolved around my kitchens and my people. End of the day, when people call to say, hey man, I really enjoyed that stuff of yours. The dim sums you sent was out of the world. Yeah, that is a feeling I love to keep it within myself.
Wow. Yeah, he's a king.